All right. So, okay, everyone. So these were the examples I had given you as homework. Obviously, perimeter answers for this one, we will do it quickly so that you know what is the answer. Perimeter is going to be 32 centimeter, and area for this one was going to be 64 square centimeters. Okay, for 2 meters, perimeter is going to be 2 fours are 8 meters, and area is equal to 4 square meter. Okay, square meter for this one, right? For this one, perimeter and area, perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 twos are 30. 30 centimeter, and area is 7 8s are 56 square centimeter. Okay, same way for this one, perimeter is 10 and 11 21. 21 twos are 42 centimeter, and area 11 tens are 1110 square centimeter. Okay, I'm just discussing the answer, not the formula. 11, so 11 tens is 110, not 1110, my mistake there. It is 110. Okay, all right, everyone. So how many of you got the correct answers? All four? Raise your hand. Come on, show me. Very good. Jia, Shubh, Jeet. Wonderful. Once, did you solve these examples? Yes, very good. Dvij, Mahir. Very good. Yes, Anya, we will get back to your questions. Yes, very good. Anya has a question. Yes, Anya, what is your question? Tell me, beta.
Sir, in second one, in area, I did 10 multiplied by 12. So
Why 12?
it will,
Why did you take 12?
because I wrote breadth 12 centimeter here.
Okay, then the answer will change. Yes, then the answer will change. That is correct. Okay, no problems. All right then. Okay, so let's do for, okay, this is not muting. Yeah, okay. Now next, right? So next example, perimeter and area of a triangle. We will do for triangle. Okay, now let's do this one example. Write down today's date, and okay, this is not connecting. All right, right? So here is 5 and 8, and this one is 30. Okay, for this triangle, find perimeter and area. So perimeter is equal to addition of all the three sides. Yes, addition of three sides, which is 5. Okay, all these are in centimeter. All right, let me make it clear that it is all in centimeter. So 5 plus 8 plus 13, answer will be 26 centimeter. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 13 is 26. So perimeter of triangle is 26 centimeter, and area, right? Now for area, what we have to do is we have to think that this triangle, now pay attention. Put your pens down, right? Stop writing, everyone. Eyes on the screen, right? Eagle eyes on the screen. What we need to do is when we are finding area of triangle, we have to think that this triangle is made up of either a rectangle or a square. Okay, so we have to make it as a square. And now since the area, okay, in the figure it looks like a square, but since this is 8 centimeter, this is also going to be 8 centimeter, right? And this is also going to be 5 centimeter. Okay, yes, समझ में आया ये step? You have to think that this triangle is made up of either triangle or square only. Okay, that's how you have to think. All right, so this 2 becomes your length and breadth. Okay, and what you have to do, area of triangle is equal to half of area of rectangle or square, whatever it is. Here it is rectangle, right? Rectangle. So for this area of rectangle, half of means half into. Now area of rectangle, which is L into B, which is in this case 5 into 8. We know that 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 5 fours are. What is the answer? We have got 5 into 4, which is 20 square centimeter. Okay, yes, it will be area of square. Yes, very good, Gia, correct. But you have to do half because it's a triangle. What we are finding is for triangle. Now triangle, as you can see from here, as you can see from the triangle is nothing but exact half of the square. Yes, so that is why 5 fours are 20 we have to do. Initially it was 5 eights are 40, but 40 divided by 2 we must do all the time, and that is why the answer will be 20 square centimeter. Okay, yes, everyone understood? Come on, note it down quickly. Siddhi, come on, pay attention. It is simple mathematical steps, beta. है ना? First, you have to find area of the square or rectangle, right? Which is simple, L into B. And then you have to divide it by 2. Very simple. Note it down. Come on. You can do this. Come on, everyone. Finish it up. Jia Patel. Yes, bolo.
Sir, in the first the triangle, there 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by what is there, sir?
8. 5 by 8, because it is the breadth, it is the side, right? Okay,
Yes.
very good, very good. Mahir Shah has a question now. Yes, Mahir, bolo beta.
Meaning of square centimeter.
Sorry,
What is the meaning of square centimeter?
okay, Dwij. Yes, Dwij, we will get to your question
Sir?
now. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, you have drawn this triangle. We have to draw blue triangle also.
Yes. Okay, square centimeter. Last year you had studied in 4th standard. I will show you. Okay, I will show you in the next point only. Okay, Mahir, you will get that. Just remember when I show it to you. Okay, now pay attention. Come on, for the next example. Next example, right? Number 2. Oh, sorry. Let's get to black. Sir, why did can 4? 8 divided by 2 is what, beta? I have done simple multiplication. It is multiplication of a whole number with a fraction. Come on, number 2. For a triangle like this, 6 and 7. Find perimeter and area. Come on, you solve this example in the classroom. Now, this is your classwork. You have to do it now. I'm not going to solve this one for you. Come on, you have to solve this just like the previous example. Fast. Come on, do it quick. Perimeter is 20 centimeter. Sorry, my mistake here. 6, 7, and I should have given one more here. Yeah, okay. And everything is in centimeter. Okay, my mistake. Come on. Now the perimeter will change. Sorry if you have already done. Come on, do it fast. Yes, correct. Very good. That is correct answer. Very good, Mahir Shah. That yes, your corrected answer is correct. Yes, Jia, you want to say something? You have to solve this example. No talking right now. Come on, do it quick. Area, find area. Very good. Kavya, incorrect. Beta, it's simple addition. शुभ पारेख, क्या हुआ? Dhruvika has a question. Yes, Siddhi, your answer is correct. Dhruvika has a question. Dhruvika, bolo question beta.
Sir, there is one area, one half of area of rectangle to
Yes.
have multiply L multiplied by B is equals to 1 half multiply by 5.8. So just how the 5 multiply by 8 become 5 multiply by 4.
एक मिनट, प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में आपने लेंथ देखी, जो आपने जो फिगर देखा उसमें 5 कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है? ट्रायंगल के साइड पे, तो वो उसका लेंथ हो गया और ब्रेथ हो गया, तो 5 and 8 आर द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ बेटा. ओके, चलो. Yes, correct answer. Area is also. So perimeter is nothing but 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 21 centimeter. Area is equal to half into L into B, which is half. Length क्या है? 6. Breadth क्या है? 7. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Just like fractions. So 3 7s are 21 square centimeter. Okay, Dhruvika, that is your question. This is the length, this is the breadth, or I can call this length, this breadth. That's not going to be an issue. Okay, right? जीत कहां से आया 392? एरिया इतना बड़ा कहां से आ गया भैया? 392 कहां से आया? 21 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर आएगा. Okay, right everyone? Very good, very good. Okay, now all the 3 examples are done. Now if I want to find the area of irregular shapes, area of irregular shape. Okay, so say for example, okay, now I have a shape like this. Okay, I have a shape like this. Now I want to find its perimeter and area. Then how will I do it? That is a big question, right? So for measuring area of irregular shape, what can I do is I will use a thread. Okay, I will use a thread. Okay, why will I use a thread? Like I will show you that I want to measure the area of this bottle's base, है ना? ये वाला जो area है, it looks like a circle but it is little bit different, है ना? थोड़ा बहुत अंदर ऊपर नीचे है, right? So what I will do, I will take a thread right? I will take a thread and I will put it at one point here. Okay, yes. Now I will rotate the thread around the border. Okay, and where it comes back to the point, dekha, right? I can put it here. So I have covered the entire bottle, as you can see from this. Now I have got this distance, right? I have got this distance. Okay, I have got this distance. So with that is your length. And if this length I can measure, now this I can measure using a simple scale. Yes, I can put it on a scale and find it out how many centimeters are there. So that is how I find area of irregular shape. Okay, understood? This is the, sorry, this is the perimeter. My bad again. This one is perimeter. Okay, I will start with point A. If this is point A, right, point A. So I will start in this direction walking, and right, I will put the thread along the border and I will come back to A. Then I will straighten the thread, put it on the scale and find out that this length of thread is so many centimeter. So that is your perimeter of this irregular shape. Okay, right? What is the formula of shape? For shape का कोई formula थोड़ी होता है जिया, right? और area कैसे find करता है? ध्रुवी का 8 divided by 2 बेटा, divide by 2. If you do it divide by 2, what will be the answer? Okay, no, you don't have to write this one. Don't write this one. Okay, now I want to measure the area. Now how to measure area? Now this is the question for you. This is the answer to your question, Mahir. Right? Why it is considered as square centimeter or square meter? Okay, now pay attention. How do we find? आन्या कहाँ पे ध्यान है बेटा? मैंने अभी तो समझाया पेरीमीटर कैसे फाइंड करना है. कहाँ पे ध्यान है आपका? Right, now we have to find the area of this irregular object. Now as you can see, let me put red ones. This one box, right? There's one box, as you can see in your notebook also, and here also. This is just like your notebook. Yes, right? This is just like your notebook, right? One small tiny square. It is one tiny square. Okay. Yes. Now if we say that the length of this square is 1 centimeter. Okay, Mahir, pay attention. It is 1 centimeter. The breadth is also, because it's a square, all sides are same, right? All the sides are same, right? And that is why the breadth is also 1. So what will be area of this one? This particular one box, the 1 into 1. What will be the answer? What will be the answer here? 1 ones 1 only, right? Now centimeter into centimeter, right? It is centimeter into centimeter. So this, it is written as centimeter to the power of 2. This one raising the power that you will see in standard 6. Okay, but what is the, now this particular part, that is called as square, right? This shape is called as square, right? So then it is called as square area. Okay, but since the unit is centimeter, so it becomes square centimeter. Okay, if it was in meter, it would become meter. If the area is very big, right? If the area is very big, say for example, area of Anand city, area of Gujarat, area of India, then it has to be measured in kilometers, square kilometers. Okay, so this is your additional homework. You have to find what is the area of Anand city, what is the area of Gujarat state, and what is the area of India. Okay, You have to find out this. You will find from internet easily. Okay. Now Mahir, is it clear? Good. Very good. Fine. So what we will do is, since in this object there are so many squares, so we have to count the whole square. We have to count the whole square, the full squares, complete squares we have to find out by counting. Okay, by counting. What we will do? We will do by count. Okay, so let's count them one by one. So here this 4, 5 are full. This is these all full. From here to here all full, even this one, right? Then all the way here. All the way here. Then from here to again here. From this one to this one. Okay. Now in your notebook, it will be bigger and it will be better. Okay. So we have to count all those squares. You have to count the whole squares. Okay. Right? No, you don't have to do this in this one, right? You will get it in the notebook. Don't worry. Okay, so because this is too small, it will be difficult for your eyes. I don't want to strain your eyes. You do it in the notebook where the squares are bigger. Okay, you do it in the notebook where the squares are big. Okay, so the whole complete square, that is directly you have to use it. Okay, now you have to see that whether the squares are half or not. Okay, half or bigger squares. The bigger than half squares have to be taken as full square only, like this one. See, this particular one, this one, as you can see here, right? This one, it is little bit more than half. You can see it. Sorry, this one is too small. What I will do is, Gia, we will talk about that later. Wait a second, right? So that one you have to count as whole only, right? And then you have to add totals. You will get this in the class notebook. That one is done properly. Okay, right? Understood, everyone? Okay. Going to the next part. Yeah, okay. This is better. Now, yes, very good, Gia. That is correct. Very good. This is very good. Good job. Very good, Gia. It is available in the textbook. Right? Good job. Now, shape like this one. This is, say, for example, 3. This is 4. This is, let's say, 6. And this is 5. And this is 2. Okay? And this is going to be 1. This part. Okay? This is for this one. Okay? Right? So, area of this shape and perimeter of this shape we have to find. So, pay attention. First, perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all sides, right? Sum of all sides. So we can put labels as this one: A, B, C, D, E, F. I can write AB plus BC plus CD, right? AB plus BC plus C. This you have to write, huh? DE plus EF and FA. Okay, in cycle we have gone, right? So let's add them all together. Sum of all sides. AB is equal to 3, BC is equal to 6, CD is equal to 5, DE is equal to 2, EF is equal to 1, and FA is equal to 4. Add them together and you get the answer. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, plus 1, 17, plus 4, 21. All units are in centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 21 centimeter. Come on, note it down. Very good. Gia, yes, this one you have to write. Come on, do it quick. Come on, finish it up. Very good. Okay, so perimeter, finding perimeter is very easy. All you have to do is add them together, right? All the distances. Okay, but say for example, this was not given to you. ये वाला नहीं दिया है और ये वाला नहीं दिया है, ठीक है? तो कैसे पता चलेगा? How will you find out? By using some brain, by thinking a little bit, है ना? जिसके पास है वो यूज करेगा. सर हम सबके पास है वो तो, है ना? Right? So how will you find distance ED? Simple. This is, oh sorry, this is 6 centimeter and this is up to 4 centimeter. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Same way, CD is 5 and this one AB is 3. So E to F is going to be 5 minus 3 is 2, right? And 6 minus 4 also 2. I think earlier in the example I took 1 here, right? I took 1 here. Okay, this was 1. Right? 3 plus 2. Yes. This is going to be 2. So answer will change from here. EF is 2 and perimeter will be 22 centimeter. Please correct the answer. Please make correction. Do it quickly. Come on. There I made a mistake. Come on. Yes. Finish it up. There was small mistake. Come on, do it. Right? Minor correction. Perimeter done. Everyone. Okay. Now let's do this one. Next example. Same. In the same example, we have to find area also. Right? We have to find area also. So 365. 365 and this one was 4, so this becomes 2, this becomes 2. Okay, right? Dhwani, we will talk about it later, right? Okay, now we have to find area. For this one, what we will do is divide this shape into 2 parts. Okay, we have got up to this point. Sorry, let's sorry. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this. So this becomes a rectangle and this also becomes, right, another, right? So first we will do area of this one, right? We will count it as 1, this one as 2. Area of 1, right? Length into breadth, which is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter, right? Area of second rectangle, again length into breadth. What is the length here? 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter breadth. So 3 into 6, which is 18 square centimeter, right? So total area is equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2, okay, which is 4 plus 18. Answer will be 22 square centimeter. Okay, yes Dhani, what was your question? Bolo beta.
Sir, I can't understand.
Which part?
Which one?
This one, okay. We had a shape, right? We had a shape. Out of this shape, we made two rectangles, right? This is rectangle 1, this is rectangle 2, okay? And then finding area of rectangle is very easy, length into breadth. So we find part area of two parts and then add them together. So we get area of the whole shape. Easy? Okay? Very good job. Come on, solve this one. Note it down. Manvi Modi, come on, note it down quickly. You'll be getting worksheets and class notes today in the MCB diary. Okay, and the link of this video also. I'm going to post this video on YouTube. Okay, and that video, that YouTube link, I'm not going to post it in WhatsApp today. I'll post it in MCB only. Okay, right? So you can see it from there. In the classroom, it will be available in the class diary. Okay, inside the class diary, class work, it will be there. Okay, you can see it from there. All right, everyone, have you noted this down? Solve, everyone. Example has been noted. Very good. Okay, then that's it for the day. Bye bye, everyone.